this video demo, I'm gonna show you the difference between the pH of amongst different kinds of normal drinking water in our daily life. Why we have to find the pH of our drinking water? Because we all know that most of the modern diseases such as diabetes, hypertension, the serious one is cancer, is closely related to acids. So we have to find ways to get the acid out from the body. So they say you can eat alkaline food, but the question is how much you can eat. Because, and you look at on the other side, is our body 70% is made out of water. So 30% is solid mass. So 70%, 30%, which one is more effective? It's water. So the most effective way to get the acid out from the body is through water. But the question is, what kind of water is alkaline? Because you need alkalinity to neutralize the acidity in your body, so then you can flush it away. So now I'm going to show you a few types of normal drinking water in our daily, but very common one. So the first one I'm going to talk about is mineral water, and then another popular one is distilled water, or the modern technology is called reverse osmosis or RO water. So what is the difference between these two? Mineral water, we all commonly know is water that extract from the underground. It's natural and mineral water. But this kind of water is processed water. They get the water supply from the municipal, from the tap, and then they go through a filtration technology such as distillation and reverse osmosis. So how to differentiate is by the color of the cap. It's an international standard. So when you buy bottled water, the color one, either blue or green, they are usually mineral water. It contains mineral inside the water. But the white cap is usually processed water, which is pure, 100% pure, just H2O with no minerals inside. So another drinking water, actually it's not really water, it's a sort of drinks, which is the isotonic drinks, we call it sports drink. So these are the common drinks, and there's another one. It's even more common in certain countries. It's more common than mineral water, which is this soft drink. So I want to compare the pH of these different drinking water before I talk about how it acidifies the body. Some of them. Alright. So first I'm going to show you this is mineral water. Okay, I pop it here, and then followed by distilled water or pure water. This is mineral water. Okay. And then I put a little bit of sport drink. Just a bit. And then followed by this popular black color soft drinks. Some kids think it is very healthy. They drink it almost every day. Later I'll show you how acidic it is. Alright. So how am I going to show the pH of these liquids or water? So I use the pH tester. So it's a very common, we call universal pH tester. So the result is shown by a chart, a color chart. So if it is green color, which is neutral, you can see in the bar here. If it's green color, it means it's neutral. But if it's yellow until orange, this means it's acidic. And from blue to purple, it is alkaline. But with purple as the most alkaline, which is the pH of 14. So now I put a drop here. Look at this mineral water. So you see, it is green, slightly a little bit blue. So because mineral water contains mineral. So and then distilled water, guess what? Many people think it's neutral, but take a look. It's acidic. So why is acidic? It's supposed to be just H2O, but in practical it can never be H2O only, because when naturally water has a partner, which is the mineral. But when humans extract the mineral out from the water, the water becomes empty. That means it's so lonely. So it will capture carbon dioxide in the air, and when the carbon dioxide in the water, it becomes carbonic acid. So, and then the next thing, the sports drink. They say sports replenish the lost minerals in the body. Let's see what pH it is. Oh, surprising! It's acidic. And then this one, I cannot test it using the color pH tester because it itself is black color. But I can show you a little bit how acidity is. So this is neutral or slightly alkaline. So this is quite a lot of mineral water here. Now I use this tiny little scoop. I scoop one tiny little scoop here into this glass. Check it out. Now you can see from neutral, it turns to acidic with just a tiny drop. So you can imagine how acidic this kind of soft drink it is, because it's not only it is acidic together with the sport drinks. These two drinks are acidic mainly because of the carbon dioxide, the A, the fizzy feeling that pumps into the water. Without the fizzy feelings, these two water cannot sell. But it's the fizzy, the carbon dioxide that become carbonic acid, which makes the water very corrosive. That's why in some of the toothpaste advertisement, they put a bone or teeth inside, soak inside this water for 7 days, and then the bone become fragile because it is very corrosive because it's acidic, and plus the sugar inside. This sugar is not natural sugar. Alright, so now let's make the scenario. So imagine this is your body. So when you're born, it's just like natural. When we are born, we are natural. We are neutral. Or actually, to be exact, it's slightly alkaline, just like the mineral water is slightly green-blue. It's like, but as we grow, we eat a lot of synthetic food, calves, the fried chicken, and the burger, and overnight games, stress, and then all the junk foods. Your body slowly it becomes acidic. Okay. So the question is, how are you going to neutralize the acid? Because this acid is one of the main cause of modern diseases. How are you going to neutralize it? So you need something alkaline. So some say, oh, drink a lot of water, drink more water to neutralize acid. No, I make it slightly more acidic. Okay, that's it. So it's slightly yellow. So try. You drink distilled water. Does it change the pH? No, it doesn't change the pH. How about drink mineral? It might help a little bit. No, not that much. So most mineral water is just like if you say you're using some sort of filter at home. This is filtered. It's just like mineral water. Drink it doesn't take away the acid in your body. You need something alkaline. So here I introduce to you. This is a new. It's not a new technology. It's just that you need to discover the ability to turn water to become alkaline. This is a Jinli-yuan. It's a traditional, it's a very nanotechnology from Japan. It go to Taiwan, and now it comes into this country. The powerful of these elements is a mineral, which is mainly calcium. In the actual name is calcium ion. So this mineral, when you mix into water, it can turn the water to become alkaline. Because the pH of the water is not determined by the water, it's determined by the minerals that is inside the water. So okay, now I take one tablet out from here. Okay, that's one tablet. Okay, this aside. So I will use. Okay, this is acidic. So actually this is not to consume. This is not a supplement. This is not a sort of like vitamin or what. So it has to consume together with mix it into water. So now I use distilled water. So to show you the change of pH. Initially distilled water is acidic. So now I put a little bit of this calcium ion or Jinli-yuan element inside. Just turn it a little bit. It turns the water become alkaline. So with this, as I said, just now I said this is your body, imagine. So you can neutralize the acidity in your body just by drinking a little bit. So this is the powerful of the alkaline power ability to neutralize acid of calcium ion.